larceny means on this date at this location, you meant to remove somebody's property from their ownership and convert it to your ownership. That's not what I'm hearing from the story.
But that's definitely what happened.
Right.
I
Yeah, but-
did intentionally.
No, that's my, come on up. Are you two folks going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
Mr. Green, true? Okay, let me see what I got here. Oh, we got fingerprint orders, Heather. All right, did you two read your advice of rights? You understand your rights and the options you have? And it looks like we've got two cases. Larceny case. All right, so the possible penalty for larceny is up to $500 fines plus court costs up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand that? All right. And you understand your rights and options. Understanding all of that, are you voluntarily and freely pleading guilty to the larceny charge, ma'am?
Yes.
Sir? Okay. All right, so let's do this. All right, ma'am, on May 28, 2026, did you try to take some property that didn't belong to you in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Tell me the circumstances, because that's all I know. I don't know where, when. Myers? Was this Myers?
No.
Walmart? Okay, go ahead.
I picked him up at the door. We were going down the one aisle. A car drove off and I saw the package laying.
Okay,
So I stopped and waited. They never came back.
right,
And I thought, okay, let's just go and see what it is. Maybe they just dumped it out.
right.
And I went over and then I saw the guy coming with the shopping cart. And I thought, okay, he could just put it on the shopping cart, take it into the store.
Right.
But he never stopped. He never stopped to talk to me or anything. Like he didn't even hear me.
Look like an employee?
Yes.
Okay.
But he got all the shopping.
Oh, yeah, the guy that's pushing the train.
So I told him, I said, okay, somehow we gotta get this back in there, but it was a big tall package.
Right,
And it was heavy, so I drove it to the car and then we saw a car coming back.
okay,
I pointed to him, I said, Harold, is that the car? And he said, I can't see it from here, but it looked like the car that had taken.
yeah, yeah,
So I said, okay, I waited till the person up. And they never came up to get it, so I said, just put it in the car, and he said, well, I gotta go eat, And I said, okay, because he had taken his medication before I picked him up from his house. And so I said, okay, we'll just throw it in the car,
right,
take it to McDonald's, so we eat, and then take it back to the store and have somebody help me get it in. By the time we finished eating, he had to get medication out at Walgreens. So we went to Walgreens and we were in that line for like 20 minutes or so. Never even thought about, I mean, just a total senior mom, just totally forgot. Went and got gas, went home, and just as I pulled up to my house to get in my car and followed him to his house, the officers. And they scared me to death. They said, well, you want to go to jail today? You want to go to jail?
okay, so here's my problem. You're both charged with larceny. Larceny means on this date at this location, you meant to remove somebody's property from their ownership and convert it to your ownership. That's not what I'm hearing from the story.
But that's definitely what happened.
Right.
I
Yeah, but-
did intentionally.
No, that's my point. That's my point. You're telling me that you were trying to figure out what to do with it and you forgot it was in your back seat. That's not intending to remove it from my ownership and convert it to your ownership. So I cannot accept a guilty plea with those facts. I'm not doing my job if I do that. All right, so here's what I'm going to suggest. Counsel, are you listening? Are you our MIDC today?
No, that's
Okay,
Maurice Davis's office.
all right. So I'm going to suggest that you talk to the court-appointed attorney today, see if they can help you resolve this today without a lie that says, yeah, I meant to steal it. because that's not what I'm hearing. And I have to hear,
Officer told me, he said, well, I was standing, the lady was in the car on the phone. And I was like, there was.
ma'am, I don't care what the officer told you. Based on what you told me, I cannot accept a guilty plea. I think there's a way for us to resolve this today, but I need you to talk to an attorney that can talk you through all the options. All right? Okay. So just have a seat and we'll get somebody to talk to you as soon as they're available. Jamie, did you hear all that? Understand your rights and your options? You understand the possible penalty for this added charge? And are you pleading guilty to that added charge today freely and voluntarily? Did you in fact drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on May 1, 2026 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
All right. I will accept your guilty plea to the added charge. I will dismiss the drove while license suspended charge. What's the status of your license now?
It's complicated. It's probably,
Still suspended?
no, there's a federal error that stopped me from getting my license. If I received a revoke.
Okay, hold on. Stop you from getting your license means you don't have your license now. Is it revoked or suspended? Okay.
Pay my $2,000 because
Get it all straightened out.
2022, I had DUI, let's say DUI, conviction dates are supposed to be 10 years apart, but they're in Howell, but they're wrong sentencing date.
Okay,
Deferred sentencing, the judge allowed me 30 days before getting sentenced at the clerk put the date that I went to jail as my sentencing, which will be within the 10 years scope.
got it.
So I have to go to the court system in Howell.
Yep.
Correct that mistake and take those papers to all.
Okay.
And get my,
Gotcha. Are you employed?
just say,
Who do you work for and how long? What do you do? How long you been doing that? Good. Paying your bills.
or, yeah.
Good, good. All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right. All right, we've got a show cause fee that brings your total up to $550 fines and costs. Within 5 days, I need to get the payment for that $550, or I need to have a plan in place so we'll get paid. In addition, I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program. Work program is ordered as an alternative to jail. We run the program 7 days a week. You pick which days.
I ended up legal situation right now, so house arrest. I don't know.
You know how long you're on house arrest?
Since this early, they said early on, first of this month. I hired a different lawyer than the one that was appointed to me, so I worked out how to deal with the third district or the city of Detroit. And the original the agreement has some jail time that we had, and it's so I'd be looking at like 12 and a half in jail, and 2 months that we have.
Okay.
So I have all that as full data.
When's the sentencing?
I do some of the payments and stuff, but physical body's loaded to somebody. I'd be more than happy to do those as soon as I release, or if I find a solution for that doesn't involve incarceration.
Say that again?
So I'd be more than happy to do those things that you requested, as soon as I'm released, or if we find a solution that doesn't.
How about if you do them before the 21st? How about if you do them before the 21st?
No problem with that. I can talk with that.
I'm assuming the house arrest is you're supposed to be home unless you're doing something for court.
I think that's how it's structured. Either I can go to my lawyers,
Yeah.
appointments, and
Yeah, stuff that's court related. This is certainly court related because I'm ordering it. Yeah. Yeah. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell you to go down and schedule 4 days to get them done before the 21st. Call your lawyer right now if you can get him or her on the phone and say, look, you think I'm gonna have a problem with the house arrest court order if I schedule these work days. If your attorney says that's gonna cause complications, then we'll look at it again.
Oh.
All right? All right. Yeah, go down, make arrangements on the payment. Go sit in the lobby, see if you can get your attorney on the phone.
Oh.
no sense scheduling and then finding out that it won't work. So if you get your attorney on the phone and he or she says, yeah, go ahead and schedule them, go downstairs, set something up on the payments and schedule your work days. All right, good luck.
Okay. Come right back. You can-
Come back in and wave your hand until I recognize you.
Needs to be arraigned.
Okay.
Thank you.
So maybe just set that fair, yeah.
William, is it DeRay's?